Buenos días, Castrals. Let's going to correct our MOT from yesterday where we were doing fluent in 5. So today is fluent in 5 as well. And tomorrow, don't worry, you will be doing a nice game for your MOT, okay? So we are going to just be looking at the first exercise where you should do it in a column method because mentally it could be a little bit tricky. You have 93,214, take away something equal 7,859. So, how much you need to take away to 93,214 to have that answer? Well, if you just take away 93,214, take away 7,859, you will get what is there. Remember that the missing number, when it is your first number that is missing, you need to just do the inverse, which it will be adding. But because here the second number is the missing one, is 7,000 at something is 93,000, but we don't know that at something. We don't know how much we need to add to get 93,000. So you just straight away take away 7,000 from 93, okay? 4 take away 9, I cannot do that, so I need to exchange, make a 14, that will become a 0. 14 take away 9, it is 5. 0 take away 5, I cannot do that, I need to exchange, that becomes a 1 and that's 10. 10 take away 5 is 5. 1 take away 8, I cannot do that, need to exchange and make it into an 11. 11 take away 8 is 3. 2 take away 7, I cannot do that, so I need to exchange. 12 take away 7 is 5. And 8 take away nothing is 8. So your answer should be 85,355. Okay? I'm going to just wrap off this. Remember that in year 3, when I used to say to you that you just cover it and take it away. When your top number is your missing one, is where you need to do the opposite. Let's go for my next one. You should do this mentally. It should be easy enough. You have 8 times 3 times 3. Well, I know that 8 times 3 is going to be 24, and 24 times 3 is going to be a little bit trickier. But then if I do 3 times 3 is 9, I know what 8 times 9 is, isn't it? So 8 times 9 is 72. Well done. So this is pretty easy to do it mentally. Number 3, 90 take away something is a 78. As well mentally, but you can, if you want, just try to jot. But I know that if I give 2 more to the 8, it becomes 110 more. So it will be 10 more. So 70 will be an 80, and 80 to 90 is 1 more, 110 more. Let me just slow that down and then show you. 90 take away 78. So 0 take away 8, I cannot do that. You will need to exchange it and make a 10. 10 take away 8 is 2. 8 take away 7 is 1. You know that you need 2 more to make 2 at 8 is 80, and then you will need 10 more from 80 to 90. Okay, that's what I was trying to say at the beginning. It just was really quick. Right, so that's really easy as well to do it mentally. Your answer is 12. And your next one as well, straight away, 7 and 7 denominator, 7 is my denominator, 6 and 2 is 8. Now what happened with these fractions? Maybe some of you have thought, well actually, how can I have 8 slides out of 7? How can I have more? Because it is the same as you get 1 whole, and 1 whole that it will be what? 1 whole is 7 sevenths. And what have you got left? 1. So you could have it, if you want, as well like this. 1 whole and 1 seventh, alright? Okay, let's going to go for my next one, exercise 5, the tricky one. And that's where we do the opposite because my top number is the one that I haven't got. So instead of dividing, I'm going to multiply. I have 529 times 7. Okay, 7 times 9 is 63, well done. 7 times 2 is 14. At 6, 20, well done. 7 times 5 is 35. At 2, 37. So your answer should be 3,703. Shall we try to see if it's right? 3,703 divided by 7. 3 divided by 7, I cannot do that. So I'm going to get 37. 37 divided by 7, 5 is my closer. 5 times 7 is 35. 36, 37. 20. 20, is it 20 on my 7 timetable? 3 times 7 is 21, so I'm going there over. So I cannot get 3, I need to get the one before, which is 2. 2 times 7 is 14. 20 is 6. And 63 is on my 7 timetable. 9 times 7 is 63. 529, 529. Okay, really easy as well. Let's going to just see our MOT for today. Just pause the video if you didn't manage to correct it. And today is the 25th of the 2nd of the 21st. We are going to do our last MOT of the week, which is fluent in 5. Our last fluent in 5. Again, 5 exercises that you need to try to do, previous learning. This time I'm going to have 3 fractions. Look at them, all of them have the same denominator, so it should be easy. 3/5 add 4/5 add 2/5. And then you can think what we just done with the other one. If you get a higher number on the top, what can you actually put? You can just make it easier. This one needs to be number 1 mentally, number 2 as well mentally, because it is 3 times 7 times 2. Okay, 3 multiplications there, 3 numbers to multiply. Exercise 3, you have 857 at 14,894. You can do that in a column method if it helps you. Or jotting. Exercise 4, mentally, look at this, 600 at 500 at 100. Really easy, isn't it? And let's going to go for the last one. Exercise 5, you have 759 times 7. And you can do it in a nice column method like this. Okay? So that's it, guys. That's your 5 exercises, last 5 exercises of the week, because tomorrow will be a game. Last fluent in 5 of the week. Okay, have a go at them and then we will correct them tomorrow. Adios.